Yo, it's your boy Eli Wolf, Commerce Crew here, and this is the part 2 to my TopStepX trading platform review. Now, inside of my first review, I ended up getting a feedback form from TopStep asking for suggestions for the platform, and that came just in time because I had just went through TopStep in TopStepX, and I had wrote down the different things that I wanted to be implemented into the platform. So I'll let you guys know what I told them. I told them, long story short, I had mentioned the multi-chart setup, that the platform lacks a multi-chart setup for people who use more than one chart simultaneously. It'll be beneficial to have that. A crosshair sync. I told them that would greatly enhance the customer experience because having access to that crosshair sync could help people who rely on using multiple charts and using SMT and stuff like that. A toggle for syncing the symbols, a light mode theme, what else? A price scale, the plus button. In TradingView, we have the plus button where we could draw a horizontal line. Or what else did I put on there? I had put regular trading hours and electronic trading hours toggle. I don't think a lot of people even like implement that, but I happen to use that. But it's not like 100% needed, but I threw it in there anyway. So yeah, that's the stuff that I told them, and I'm excited to say now that I'm back inside of the TopStepX platform, I can see that they actually implemented some of these changes. Even some of the stuff I said in my first review, like about the seconds chart. But yeah, I'll get into it. Off the top of my head, the seconds charts, they actually added these now. Oops. These were not here. These were not here before, and they're here now. So I'm happy about that because I use the seconds charts and the minutes charts for my entries. And yeah, they added that, so that's pretty cool. You can, well, as you can see off the top, you can have multiple charts now. You couldn't have this before. This was not a thing. You actually had like a clone of a chart, which didn't make sense to me before, but now you can have different charts doing different things. And the crosshair sync, you see I'm moving this around. This crosshair sync with the top and bottom, it's just on the higher time frame. That's why it's, let me show you this. See the crosshair sync, it didn't have that before, it has it now. So that's a pretty exciting feature to have if you're doing let's say you have like the ES at the bottom and the NASDAQ at the top, and you can glance over and see a smart money divergence, right? So that's pretty cool. This is the live market, by the way. Let's see, I think TopStep TV is actually on right now as I'm recording this, so that's pretty cool. This is pretty much what you would see when I'm trading on this, but I'll let you guys know how I have this set up after I get through these updates. So we talked about them adding the seconds charts. They added the crosshair sync. They added the multi charts, and they added multi time frame. So I don't know if you noticed just now how I switched the time frame. This is a 15-minute chart on NASDAQ. This is a 1 minute. Can make that a 2 minute. This is a 30-second. Can make that 15 seconds, you see? So you can have different time frames on the different charts now. That wasn't a thing before. Now it is. Another thing you could do is you don't need to have the same ticker on these charts. So let's put the ES on this. You could have the ES right here, NASDAQ on these. See? Boom. You gotta have a forward slash. So forward slash is gonna show you, this is actually new. I believe this is actually new too. Forward slash is gonna show you the symbols and the descriptions now. So yeah, if you press /, then you can click which one, or if you remember it, you just type it in. Let's put crude oil on here. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, there's no drop down. It's really a symbol search. So you search your symbol in here now. I believe in the first review there was a drop down. So that drop down now has moved to over here where you're picking your contracts that you're trading. So this will have a drop down in the selection of the contracts that you're able to trade. Okay, so that's a difference. Let's see what else is going on in here. Oh, the plus symbol that I was talking about. So you see, as I'm moving the cursor up and down, you see that plus symbol. This was not there, and when you press this plus on TradingView, it allows you to draw a horizontal line, and we're able to do that now. These are the little things. It's the little things, right? It's the little things that matter here, where you don't realize what you're missing until you don't have it. So even though this was a TradingView implemented software and technology into their platform, it was missing a lot of these like little things that makes TradingView such a superior charting platform compared to the other ones. And the fact that they're bringing in these updates and stuff is just showing where this is going. And I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. I actually traded live today too, and I could say it's performing perfectly fine. I haven't noticed any issues with it. Yeah, if there's anything else I could think of as far as updates, I'll let you guys know. But those are pretty much the major updates that I've seen so far. As I said, TopStep TV is actually on right now. And I remember earlier in the day today, they did mention that they have more updates coming. So I would be on the lookout for that. They're possibly going to start trying to get new people to come in. And that could be an opportunity for you to come in and check this platform out and start trading on it. So, yeah, that's my part 2 review on the TopStepX. And let me know in the comments, what platforms do you guys use to trade with? Do you guys use TopStepX? Are you even using TopStep at all? Do you use your own brokerage? Let me know what platforms you guys like the best, and what type of trading you guys do. I want to know more about the trading community, because as you guys know, trading is a pretty solo business venture, and the more we could interact with each other, I think the more fun it will be, going on starting these trading journeys with each other. So yeah, let's tap in with the Commerce crew, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for listening.